Cultivated, coming at you guys again with another video today. I'm making a video. Yeah, I gotta continue this series, you know. I'm here with my boy. Fucking Mills.
When I start working on this car, bro, that's when you put me in the video.
Well, you're gonna start working on this car today, so this is what we're gonna do today. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get his car up on the jack, and we're gonna do like a typical head rat shit and fucking take off his exhaust.
Yeah, I don't need these.
We're at his sister's house right now. We got a lot of shit to do today, actually. Actually, some fucking fucked up shit happened to my truck. Fucking, I curse too much. But this clamp actually broke, so I have to buy a new clamp for my intake. Probably two for this one too, which sucks, but I mean, whatever gets the job done, right? But, I got a very special prize for you guys. Huh? Put it in, see if you can raise like the middle. Yeah. But there's a, in the trunk of Jesus' car, this is a very special surprise.
Yo, this is actually too tall.
Just a sneak, well, it's too tall, what you mean?
Bro, come here.
Just a little sneak peek. Got some 2JZ parts in the truck. Ah, shit. Low car problems. Bro, fucking. No!
Hold up, let me see something.
Tip it in there or something. Can't like.
What?
That's as far as it's gonna go down, man. I'm pretty sure.
This is some shit. Yo, this is some shit.
Oh, but this is like Prince's new old car, I guess you could say. He had a Fiesta, but then for some reason he traded it. Well, he didn't trade it.
I still have it.
He still has it, but he got this instead. A 350. What is it, 2004? 2003, 350Z. You know, the typical car everybody fucking gets. Hey, Mora. Hey. Hey, Mariana. How you doing? Mariana. Hello. Close the gate. Yeah, close the gate behind you. Hi.
I might have a jack in the truck.
What you mean?
I might have.
Yeah, get that jack, and then at least jack up the car, and then get that jack and put it.
In the truck. I ain't say I got one.
Look, I got a bottle jack, but it's only for my truck, so it's not gonna fit either way. Dude, I know fucking these trunks are like heavy as shit.
They are.
I know Kenny's. I know.
Nigga,
I don't want to say that
time.
name. That name haunts. Well, it doesn't haunt me. That name is. It's an enemy.
That's cancer.
It's an enemy against
It's cancer,
me.
bro. Say it's cancer.
It's cancer, bro. But yeah, I don't want to say that name. I'm not gonna say that name ever again. I'm just gonna say fake. I'm just gonna say fake.
What the fuck is this?
I don't know. Probably a jack bar.
Yeah.
Whatever it is. You got a tire iron. Wait,
Yeah.
where's it? You have everything but a jack. Lift up the spare tire. Take the spare tire out.
Dude, smart. He took out that jack. Said, "Fuck y'all. I'm keeping this." Okay.
Damn, you about to tear the whole car apart, dude.
Yep. No jack.
Damn.
That hurt.
I'm hurt right now.
You hurt.
I'm hurt. Hella hurt. Honestly, hey, this Civic is pretty clean. Oh, that's clean. I like that a lot. I do. I like that a lot. And then you have 350Z, of course.
Damn jack.
And then you have my truck.
How big is your jack for your truck?
I got a little fucking bottle jack, dude. And let me see if I can do this one. I don't even think it works. Oh yeah, I got a train horn that Fate gave me. He gave me this.
Can I put that on too?
I don't know how to put that shit on. I need a compressor. See, that's taller than your jack, though. Well then, the jack that we already have. I'm gonna put this in the back. This is taking up too much space.
No, it's the only way we're
Damn.
gonna be able to jack this
Why? How?
from the back.
But didn't do it from the back.
That's literally the only way we can.
This is my wasteful charger that Sprint gave me. Sprint gave me a faulty charger. And then I had to leave for NTC the next day, so I couldn't return it. So I was mad as
Unless
fuck.
you want to still use this shit and then move the other jack underneath the.
Yeah, we can use that as like a little jack stand if you want. Hopefully. Yo, it still works.
What are you doing now?
Calling me.
What happened?
We're trying to get it jacked up, but this car is too low.
This car is not low at all.
This car is really low.
It is not. That car is low.
Try and put, look, no it's not. Your car is actually higher than his car. Let me see. Yeah, his car is lower.
Don't worry about it. It's not gonna take long. You see?
Yeah, his car is way low.
Oh, how low is it?
I can fit at least like one fist underneath your car. No, I don't know. You guys probably might be the same height.
And I told you already. But it shouldn't take long. And on top of that, I found out that the light bulb. Like I'm saying, it's the light bulb that's dim.
I don't know. Put it down and see if that helps. Yeah, that's as far as it goes. I don't know. It's too big. Oh, look at that iron block, man. It's strong.
You don't have like another floor jack?
No.
One that you can like.
That's why I thought, like legitimately, this is the plan. I was fucking jack it up from the back, use that other jack as a fucking jack stand, and then move that.
And you call yourself a mechanic.
You call yourself a mechanic.
Oh, you have a scissor jack.
That's what I really fucking needed. That's all I really needed. So what you're gonna do is just scissor this one at the bottom, and then go ahead and just, once you have enough room, throw that bitch in there. So you should, no, you just gotta open it from the front door.
Yeah, this car is weird.
No, it just locks.
No, this car is weird.
That's weird.
I don't. Your beard is weird. I don't even have a beard.
Where's the trunk at?
Should be on the door.
It's right there on the side. It literally has a trunk button.
This?
No, bitch, that. It says pull.
Oh, he said on the door.
It did say it's on the door. Oh wait,
Pull
that's
it.
my wife's car. My bad. And then get the little thing that's in there. It should be like a little.
This?
There you go, boys.
Your hair's so colorful.
I know.
I'm jealous.
Hella
Army
jealous.
has a standard on that. It has to be a natural hair color.
Yeah, it has to be natural hair color.
Purple
If
is
you joined the army, dude, they would have made you like dye it all black.
Dyed all black, dyed all brown, dyed all blonde.
No, they would have just cut your hair off. Actually, you're a
I
guy.
would've cut my hair off.
Your hair would have been gone.
You've been bald.
It would have been bald like
I didn't
us.
join the army.
All your hair would have been gone. Facial hair too. And your ears? Nah.
Perfect.
Ears would have been gone, period.
So just try to lock it somewhere, right?
You said about the middle, right?
Yeah, about the middle. So then we can like get the whole side of the car, really. Yeah. What? I do what I want. I'm 18 now.
What?
I'm 18 now, Dad. I do what I want.
I'm 18 now.
I do what I want.
Gundam gang?
Gundam gang or what?
Gundam gang is
Oh, you're just gonna lock me out like that?
Fuck yeah, I hate you.
Alright, you know what? I hate you too. I'm gonna go cry now. Look at this piece of shit Civic. Come on, jack it up.
This rusty ass shit, man.
Come on.
It's rusty.
There's some muscle in it, man.
I don't got that. What are these muscles you talk about?
Alright, I'm gonna talk to you guys later when I get this fucking car jacked up.
So I can't wait for tax season.
Oh, when tax season comes, dude? Oh, this truck is gonna upgrade.
This fee's going to be upgraded.
Trust, believe. Next year, man.
This shit can walk my Fiesta.
Huh?
This shit can walk the Fiesta.
This shit is gonna be... I can't wait. I'm getting some General Grabbers. No, not General Grabbers. I'm getting some... I already got General Grabbers. What the fuck? I'm getting some fucking... I forgot what they're called, but I'm getting what's it called?
Dicky ass. What?
What's it? Hey, don't be saying that. This is a PG-13 fucking show.
Well,
Freaking
penis
show.
in your butt. How about that?
Are you still
But
recording?
Yes,
yeah, I'm still recording. It's gonna be. I don't know what this is gonna be actually. But
Hey,
take
what's that other company that takes pictures? What's that other guy's name?
who?
Phantom Productions?
Oh yeah, Fender
Yeah,
Productions.
hit up Phantom Productions with pictures. Call Sam Gator had the
Bro, I'm getting showed up at everybody, and it's not funny.
and you don't practice.
Everybody's showing me up.
Goes outside and takes pictures of nature.
Man, cause every time I do want to practice, guess what? Y'all are busy or doing something or working.
Take pictures of random cars.
Man, I don't know these people like that. James. Hey, James. Hey, buddy.
Could I hold your camera?
Huh? No. Can't hold this. Drugs got me fucked up.
Let's go with PG-13, ho.
Mon's Cheeto. That's coming off. Who's Mon's Cheeto? I don't know who that is.
The greatest guitarist in the world.
Bro, you can't even play guitar.
Does it look like I play Guitar Hero?
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like you're a nerd. There's gunshots going off. Setting off my PTSD. We're under fire! Take over!
No, you know what I got PTSD from?
What's the 3Ds? Enemy contact! 300 meters away! Fucking, I don't know.
Look, dude, you have a ground. I don't know if you want to take off.
A ground for what?
I don't know. There's a ground in the back of the exhaust. Yeah. Weird.
Why? Why is this car so weird?
I don't know, man.
Why are imports weird? Honda's weird. Fucking
got it.
Nissans are weird. Get something simple. Get up. This bad boy.
Fuck off, you.
This bad boy can get. This thing can get down. Look at my boots. All dirty as shit. I need to clean those before tomorrow. I want some food.
Fuck you. You're supposed to be helping there.
What? Look, I took my exhaust off by myself. A big ass, heavy exhaust by myself. You can do it.
This shit has so much dust in it, bro. God damn. You gonna stay inside?
All right, this is the second time you sabotaged me. Manolo against the Bulldogs and the Pit Bull. Oh. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Oh, hey, James doesn't care. James does not care. Bro, I really do gotta pee.
You got a what? How touch?
Hey, buddy.
I've not been at that.
Hey.
I'm playing. I don't have no more. There's no more chop.
What is this?
It's a hopscotch thing. I don't have enough chop.
You don't know how to. You don't even know how to draw.
You
What kind of hops?
play.
What kind of hopscotch is that? How do I get out of this?
I don't know. Just kind of marble.
How you lost? It's taking off an exhaust. How can it be so hard? It's an exhaust.
Not like the exhaust from the Genesis.
How the fuck you
Not
do
like
that?
the exhaust from the
It's an exhaust. It's literally 2 fucking bolts.
Yeah, the bolts that came up. Well, the bolts that came off. I'm trying to figure out how to take the rest of it.
Did you take the bolts off?
Depends. Oh, I took these bitches off.
What did you do?
These came off.
Yeah.
Yeah, now the fucking fun part is trying to figure out how the hell to get these shits out. How rusted they are.
Oh my god.
Cause ain't nothing else you can fucking use a tool for.
Man, get a hammer and beat that bitch out.
You got a hammer?
No. Get a hammer and beat those little nuts out.
And then this whole shit,
bolts out.
and the whole shit should fall.
No, it shouldn't fall. It
should be hanging.
It should be hanging. Then there's a rubber grommet over there that you have to slide off.
Over where?
Like right where your head is at. Like look up a little bit. Like up. Like towards the driver's side. And you should see like a little hanger. Hold on, let me set this on set my tripod up. And then I'm gonna go get a hammer for you. Face it down and zoom in. Alright. I can cut it for you, but I mean.
You can do what?
What?
You said you can cut it?
No, there's a grommet right here. You literally just got. I don't gotta do it for you. I don't think. Oh, your shit's. You got 2.
With 2 garments?
Yeah. You know how much weight you would shave just by dropping this? At least like 50 pounds.
With the exhaust?
So you'll be 50 pounds faster.
Be lighter?
Faster.
I'm about to just use that ratchet and just hit that bitch out.
Right, there's a rubber grommet right here. Where my hand is at. Right here.
My bad.
You gotta slide this through the hole. And you do better than what I do is like pull it and then slide it through the hole. There's probably gonna be 2 more on that side too. And after you do that, you should be done.
I'm getting knocking these bitches out. I need to get in the spot you're in.
Boom.
Yeah,
That's gonna be hanging now.
We got one off.
Slide this bitch off, slide that bitch off, we're gonna 2 more on that side, and then you'll be good. Yeah. That's really all you gotta do.
So you already got the bitch hanging?
Yeah, I already got the bitch hanging. All I had to do was pull, Mills. All I had to do was pull.
You suck with dick.
All I had to do was put a little man strength in it. That's gonna be my new hashtag, by the way. Fucking man strength, bro. Damn. I don't know how to work this tripod yet. Well, I'm gonna grab some food real quick, and then I'll be right back. And we're gonna check out the progress on Mills.